In today's video, we're going to take my new toy out for a spin. Welcome to Active Art. Today is going to be all about acrylic pouring. I got a new spinner in the mail, and so I had a wood thing that I found at Home Depot. It adds a little weight to the spinner, so I thought it might give it a little more control or a little more momentum for the spin. So for this one, I just put down the base coat of a little bit thinner white, and then I used some colors I had made up, and I'll put some of the products I used down in the description in case you're interested, or if you have any questions, just pop it down in the comments. The basic recipe I used for the colors today was, once I've got the color mixed to where I wanted it, then I added in about a shot glass full of Liquitex and also GAC 800, and then maybe another 2 shots of Floetrol. And that was starting with about 2 shots worth of paint in each one. It varies a little bit because some paints are a little thicker and some thinner, depending on the pigments or the manufacturer. And what I'm using today are mirrors that I picked up on sale over at Michael's, just because the cost of them compared to the cost of the same size canvas, it just made sense to try these out. So I'm not putting a lot of pressure down on there. The weight of the mirror is actually nothing because it's not canvas. I don't have to worry about it flexing or anything, so I wasn't too worried about smoothing it out in the middle, just because the weight of the mirror was going to do the work for me. And that one actually dried pretty nice, but the white did wash out part of it, so I'll probably end up pouring back over that one. The one on the wheel, though, did turn out pretty good. The colors were still pretty vibrant. I'm sure with a coating of varnish, it'll be pretty sweet. Now I'm going to start spinning it out here. Get the paint to smooth out some. I mean, sometimes when you do that smash technique, you're looking for the ridges and all that sort of thing, but I wanted to see how it would go if I just kind of use the wheel to smooth out the paint a little bit.
We left this town with the speakers loud and the radio playing old Sublime that we stole online, every verse we know. And we hadn't had a clue if we'd make it by noon or even where we'd go. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. We don't need a map, everywhere. The tank said E and we all agree that we're just too broke. Fill it back up, so we left your truck on the road with Rome. Then we found a motel with a cigarette smell, so we knew we're close. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. We don't need a map, everywhere is home. Is where I can find some peace of mind to make my own way. I don't know where I will end up, but I'll find it someday. Keep on searching, engine burning while we're turning it around. But don't get left behind on the road.
There was one little lip on there that just wasn't rolling over the edge. It was making progress, it just wasn't quite making it. So I just lightly touched it, thought that might help it out a little bit. But I think overall I just needed to be a little more patient. One time when I was first playing around with this, and I did post a little bit of that video, on like a 10-second version of it on Instagram at Active Art Passions. But I used a straw and blew out kind of like a Dutch pour technique. And I blew onto the paint, and it kind of did a neat effect. I'm gonna play with that more. That painting probably didn't make the cut, but it was the first time I was just playing around and trying it.